Living in League City means enjoying warm weather, coastal breezes, and plenty of sunny days, but it also means dealing with high humidity, salt-laden air, and tropical storms. When it comes to replacing or upgrading your home's windows, choosing the right materials is one of the most important decisions you can make. The right window material can help protect your home from moisture damage, improve energy efficiency, and boost long-term durability. Here's what League City homeowners should know when selecting windows that can handle Gulf Coast conditions. Why window material matters in humid climates. Humidity affects homes in many ways, especially the parts of your home exposed to temperature swings and outside air. Windows are particularly vulnerable. The wrong material can swell, warp, rot, or deteriorate faster than expected. The right one can withstand moisture, resist corrosion, and keep your home comfortable year-round. In a climate like League City's, homeowners need materials that resist moisture and humidity, prevent mold and mildew growth, hold up against strong sun exposure, provide excellent insulation, require minimal maintenance, withstand harsh coastal conditions. Fortunately, several window materials work exceptionally well in humid, coastal regions. Top window materials for League City homes. Vinyl windows. A popular, moisture-resistant choice, vinyl is one of the most widely recommended materials for homes in humid climates, and for good reason. Vinyl windows are made from PVC, a material that does not absorb moisture and will not rot or warp. This makes them ideal for League City's mix of humidity, heat, and salt in the air. Benefits of vinyl windows include highly moisture-resistant, excellent insulation and energy efficiency, affordable pricing, low maintenance, long-lasting color and durability. For homeowners looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option that performs well in warm, damp environments, vinyl is hard to beat. Fiberglass windows. Built for tough coastal conditions, fiberglass windows are known for exceptional strength and durability. They expand and contract very little with temperature changes, making them stable in League City's hot, humid summers. Why fiberglass works well here. Extremely resistant to moisture and rot, strong enough to handle coastal storm pressure, excellent energy efficiency, can mimic the appearance of natural wood, very long lifespan. While they tend to cost more than vinyl, fiberglass windows offer outstanding long-term value and performance. Aluminum windows. Durable and ideal for modern designs. Aluminum is a practical choice for homeowners who prefer a sleek, modern look or need unusually large window openings. While aluminum does conduct heat, modern aluminum windows include thermal breaks that improve insulation. Benefits of aluminum windows. Resistant to corrosion when properly treated, perfect for large or custom openings, very strong and durable, slim frames allow for expansive views. For coastal climates, selecting aluminum windows with protective coatings is important to prevent salt air corrosion over time. Composite windows. The best of multiple materials. Composite windows combine materials like wood fibers and polymers to create a window frame that offers the beauty of wood with the durability of synthetic materials. Advantages of composite windows. Resistant to moisture and warping, highly energy efficient, strong and weather resistant, low maintenance with a premium appearance. This option is excellent for homeowners who want the look of wood without the upkeep or risk of rotting. Materials to avoid in humid climates. Traditional wood windows, while beautiful, are not usually the best choice for League City unless heavily treated and maintained. Wood absorbs moisture easily, which can lead to rot, swelling, peeling paint, and mold, especially in a coastal environment. Final thoughts. Choose windows made for Gulf Coast living. Selecting the right window materials for your League City home can protect your property, lower energy bills, and ensure long-term durability in a challenging climate. Vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, and composite windows all offer moisture resistance and strong performance in humid environments. By choosing materials designed for Gulf Coast weather, you'll enjoy more comfortable living, better protection, and lasting value from your window investment.